Is analysis of symmetrical beams, a second numerical from flitched beams. We have already analyzed this problem using one method, that is converting it to equivalent section, timber section. This is a second method which we are going to use here. What we are going to do is we are again going to calculate moment of resistance by not converting them. Okay, we are going to treat the beam as it is, as the beam given, and we are going to calculate the sections. Okay, calculate the moment of resistance for this given section. So what is the formula? Solution. Okay, what is the formula? Moment of resistance wooden section plus moment of resistance in steel section, because we have wooden sections here. This is wood. Okay, this is wood and this is steel. Okay, so it is a moment of resistance of wooden section plus moment of resistance of steel section. Let us calculate moment of resistance in wood. Okay, in wooden section. So we need to calculate MRW. What is the formula? MR is equal to stress into moment of inertia divided by Y, that is F into Z. What we can say, I by Y is Z. Okay, so we are going to calculate for wooden section. So let me write all for W. Right now, what is FW given? FW is already known to us, 5 megapascals, so 5 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, what is IW? IW is moment of inertia of wooden section. So what is wooden section moment of inertia? 60 into 200 cube, BD cube by 12. So 60 into 200 cube by 12. I'm multiplying this value by 2 value because there are two wooden sections. Okay, so this value is equal to 80 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. What will be YW? It will be 200 neutral axis. Okay, then this from the neutral axis to the extreme fiber, it is 200 divided by 2. So that is how I'm going to get this value, which is 100. Okay, so how the stress is given? If you consider this neutral axis, we are, if we need to draw the stresses. Okay, let me do this. This is steel 100. Okay, here also it is 100, and you need to join, so it will exactly cross this neutral axis because the section is symmetrical. So 100 either side. This is in steel. In wooden section, in wood, it will be 5 this side, this is plus, this is minus. Okay, 5 this side and 5 this side. So this is 5, this is 5, plus and minus. Okay, this is going to be the stress distribution. So we have got this. Now simply substitute here in this MRW, that is moment of resistance in wood, and it is 5 into 80 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 100. So this value is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter, because this is moment of resistance, unit is Newton millimeter. This is Newton millimeter square, millimeter raised to 4, and millimeter, so whatever remains is Newton millimeter. Similarly, we are going to calculate moment of resistance of steel, in steel. Okay, which is equal to MRS. So let us quickly calculate this. Okay, what is Fs given? That is stress in steel, 100. Okay, what is Is? That is moment of inertia in steel. There is single plate, so BD cube by 12, again 15 into 200 cube by 12. How much is this? 10 into 10 raised to 6 millimeter raised to 4. And what is Ys? Ys is from neutral axis to the extreme fiber here. So again it is 200 divided by 2, 100 mm. Substitute for the values for the formula here. Okay, this is Newton per millimeter square. Let me complete that. 10 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 100. So this is 10 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. So finally we have got this, and then substitute both in the first equation. moment of resistance is equal to MRW is 4 into 10 raised to 6 plus 10 into 10 raised to 6. So we have 14 into 10 raised to 6 Newton millimeter. This answer will tally with the solution we have done in example 1. This completes the problem.